He walks into the meeting. He has a solution, but every voice in the room drowns him out. He leaves thinking, I know I'm capable, so why don't I sound like it? Sam felt the same way. Cafe interview. Hands shaking around a half-empty coffee cup. The manager asks, tell me about yourself. Sam looks down. Well, I'm not very experienced. I'm trying to learn. Silence. A glance at a phone. Polite smile. And a job he never gets. Not because he was weak. Because his language whispered uncertainty. Humans respond to clarity. We follow voices that sound sure. Calm. Grounded, undistracted. Confidence isn't loud. It's ownership. Here are 5 phrases that instantly make you sound more confident. Number 1. Here's the situation. This phrase takes the wheel. No guessing. No palayausing. Just direction. Here's the situation. We're missing last week's data. Number 2. I hear you. Here's what I propose. Validation first, direction second. People relax when they feel understood. I hear you. Here's what I propose. We split the work. Number 3. Let me be clear. A boundary spoken with calm certainty. Not a defense. Not an excuse. Let me be clear. I'm not available this weekend. Number 4. Let me build on that. You don't crush someone's idea. You elevate it and add yours. Let me build on that. We can automate the workflow. Number 5. I'll take responsibility. No blame. No panique. Leadership in one sentence. I'll take responsibility. Here's how we'll fix it. Watch how these phrases shift real moments. In the office, Tom says they're behind. Rhea breathes in, here's the situation. The client changed the specs. I'll send an updated plan. The room's steady. She becomes the anchor. Among friends, you never join us. Aisha replies, I hear you. Let me be clear. I need weekends for myself. No arguments, only respect. At the interview, tell me about your project. Sam sits taller. Let me build on our last campaign. Engagement increased 22%. This time they lean in. Confidence is calm clarity. Not volume, not ego, just ownership of your voice. Remember this: validation first, direction second. Always. Which phrase will you use this week? Comment below.